In this video, I'm going to answer two questions. All right, the first question is, why is the ASL Daily email so valuable? The second question is, what is the 10-day cycle in the ASL Daily email for beginners? Okay, so let's start with the first question. Why is it so valuable? Why is the ASL Daily email for beginners so valuable? All right, in one word, I guess kind of two words, follow through. All right, now let's think for a moment. Let's talk about New Year resolutions. What often happens with New Year resolutions? Well, in my experience, at least in my life, we start so strong and focused and furious, like we're just gonna make things happen, right? Whether it's we wanna lose weight, we have a new fitness schedule, we wanna take a cooking class, we wanna learn some new language, we want to learn sign language perhaps. There's some online course, man, I'm gonna do that, it's my New Year resolution, I'm gonna jump in. Okay, so we fast forward a few months, and it's kind of like, well, what happened to my New Year resolution? Well, it's obvious. Life happens, right? We're busy. We have kids. We have a pet. We have work. We have groceries. We have family. We have just personal care, taking care of yourself. Life happens, right? Now, this is directly related to why we created the ASL Daily Email for Beginners. The whole purpose of the ASL Daily Email for Beginners is to guarantee forward momentum, guarantee forward progress in your sign language journey. Right. So we use email. You might be thinking, well, email is kind of old technology, isn't it? Well, yes, it is. It's old technology, but email offers some great advantages. Email is simple. Email is quick. Email is predictable. It's reliable. It can be accessed from anywhere. Literally on your phone, you just tap and scroll, follow the direction. That's it. Now with email, we can do bite-sized, small lessons which are easily digestible, that fit into a busy schedule. We're already checking our email, whether it's personal, work, whatever it is, we're in email. Well, we can probably check one more. It's just one quick bite-sized ASL lesson where I'm guaranteed to learn something and I'm guaranteed to make forward progress on my sign language journey. Haha, ASL Daily Email for Beginners. That's right. We designed our ASL Daily Email for beginners. We keep it simple. We give you multiple speeds. We show you from the front. We show you from the side so you can soak everything up at your own pace and whenever it fits your schedule. It's just a simple, quick email. And at the same time, it complements all of our ASL courses. We have a ton of ASL courses which literally hold you by the hand and bring you along the journey. But if we don't have time to invest in a full ASL online course, it's kind of difficult to make forward progress. Now with the daily reminder, with the daily email, not only do we get that bite-sized lesson, but in our ASL daily emails, we link to the courses in our ASL bundle. So if you got extra energy, you got time, you're like, yeah, I can do some ASL progress right now. I'll be jumping into that course like crazy. Or maybe you're like, oh, I only got like 3 or 4 or 5 minutes. I'll soak up this ASL lesson right here in the email, scroll down, soak it up, good. All right, at the very least, with that daily email, in your mind, you get some satisfaction that you are making progress, forward progress on your ASL journey. Aha, that is why the ASL Daily Email for Beginners is so valuable, because it guarantees forward momentum. It guarantees progress. Now, in the romantic idea of things, we make a whole bunch of progress and we just zoom forward. Reality is that life happens. We're busy with whatever it is, and sometimes the only way to guaranteed forward progress is to go in small, bite-sized steps. And then you get just the satisfaction and fulfillment of knowing that you moved forward. Aha. Okay, so that's what the ASL Daily Email is all about. Bite-sized daily emails to guarantee progress in your ASL journey. All right, now let's tackle the second question for this video. What is the 10-day cycle in the ASL Daily Email? Okay. So it's day 1 through 10, and it's just going to keep going on a cycle, 10-day cycle. The content will change, right? The themes will change, but the same kind of structure will remain the same. Okay, so day number 1 is a question. All right, so you're going to see me signing. You'll see lots of question marks above my head. All right, you tap on the email, you start scrolling. You try to figure out, what am I signing? In day one, it's a question. So you're trying to figure out, what is the question that I'm signing to you? I'll show you at multiple speeds. Take a guess, it's fine. Then you can eventually scroll down and see me signing the answer. Sign with me. I urge you, sign with me. It's so important to get it sticking in your brain. So day one, we teach you a question, right? And then we take that question and we divide it into individual parts, into individual signs. So you're going to learn each individual sign all by itself, and then you put them together and sign everything. Then you can sign everything with me at a slower speed and at a faster speed. Lots of practice, right? And there's homework. Right? Our ASL daily emails include homework. Ah, fantastic. Okay, so day number one is all about a question. Day number two is about a response. Response. Question, response. We're headed towards a dialogue. But day number two is getting you to sign a response to the question in day number one. So day number two has the same similar format to day number one, but this time it's a response. Try to figure out what I'm signing, then we'll break it down into individual signs, right? Then you sign everything. Then you can sign everything with me, multiple speed. You see everything from the front, from the side, and just soak it up. Okay, so day number one was question. Day number two is a response to the day number one question. Day three, we throw something different at you. Kind of take a break and we do finger spelling recognition. Right? You might say that's not actually a break. We're still moving you forward, but we're focusing on finger spelling in day number three. Okay, so the theme for day number three is this or that. So I'm going to be finger spelling in multiple parts, and you try to figure out, what am I finger spelling? What is the message? This or that? What are the two things he's trying to, show me? Which one do I like better? Right. So scroll down, same thing, tap on the email, start scrolling, follow the instructions. Try to figure out what I'm finger spelling, and eventually you can scroll down and finger spell with me. I urge you, practice finger spelling with me, just like you're signing with me, right? Okay, and there's homework. And of course there's homework. All right, so day number four is the dialogue. All right, now it should seem pretty familiar because we take the question from day number one and we take the response from day number two and we put them together. See the beauty? You can sign the full dialogue, the question and the response. Get practice signing with me, front from the side, different speeds. For beginners, it's a challenge often to jump from signing individual signs to signing a series of signs, right? Just like in English, a series of words is a phrase or a sentence. If we walked around just talking in single words, it wouldn't make a lot of sense. In ASL, you learn the individual signs and then you make a sentence. Then you take that sentence and you put it with another sentence to make a dialogue, and it just builds on itself. That's another beautiful thing you're going to notice about the ASL Daily email is that the emails build on themselves. Whether it's getting to review, we'll talk about that in a moment, two-part review, or it's just getting the question, the response, and then we build the dialogue. Right, so we took a lot of time to design the 10-day cycle to make sure you get reinforced what you're learning and you make progress. Okay, so day number four, we're going to sign that dialogue. Day number five is more finger spelling recognition. And the theme for day number five, finger spelling, is question for you. All right, somebody finger spelling a full question in multiple parts. You try to figure out what is the message, and then you can answer the question, right? You can finger spell with me, scroll, just go through the email. We guide you through the process. Okay, what are we on? Day number six. Day number six is a vocabulary quiz, a multiple choice quiz. Wonderful. Okay, so the vocabulary is going to be focused on, it's being connected to the dialogue that you signed in day number four, right? Day number four, that's right. Day number four is a dialogue. So we're basically going to grow your ability to sign about that same situation with more vocabulary. Okay, so in the vocab quiz, in that email, you see me sign and you try to figure out what I'm signing. Then you're going to see some answers, multiple choice answers, right? take a guess. It's okay. If you're really unsure, if you kind of have an idea, what do you think I'm signing? Then you can scroll down and actually see the answer. Now here's where the magic happens. Now in most times when you have a multiple choice test, you get the answer and you get feedback if you're right or wrong. But you only get to understand that one answer, right? Now in ours, we're going to show you, I show you how to sign each answer. Isn't that beautiful? It's just wonderful. It kind of leaves us hanging if we only learn how to sign one of the answers. On day number 6, vocab quiz, we're going to make sure you sign all of the answers. Right. And then, the homework on this day is actually fantastically incredible, because we're going to take what you signed in the quiz, those answers, you practice those, right? Multiple signs, we're going to go to the homework and we're going to rearrange those signs. So like maybe the answer was like red hat and then it was green scarf or something. Well, why don't we learn how to sign red scarf and green hat? So we basically flip and move around and rotate the signs so you get more practice and you can sign about more things. It's wonderful. Okay. Day number 7 is more fingerspelling again, fingerspelling recognition, and the theme is inspiration. Right, so we have multiple inspirational phrases for you just to soak up and the first thing is to figure out what are they? What are the messages? What am I fingerspelling? Then you just scroll, you can see me fingerspelling at slower speed, scroll down to the answer, and soak up the good vibes. Make sure you're fingerspelling with me because the letters are going to light up above my head as I fingerspell when I show you the answers. Right. Okay. If you know anything about us, you know that we love review. All right. How much review? At least 2 parts, signing and understanding. Right. So day number 8 in the 10-day email cycle of the ASL Daily Email, day number 8 is review. And it's going to be focused on signing review. Right. So I'm going to throw the signs at you that you've already learned earlier in that cycle, right? You've already learned them, and I'm going to put them, you'll see the word, it basically says sign what's in yellow. And below you're going to see a bunch of words that are in yellow. And those are signs that you've already learned. So the idea is to be able to sign through that list. If you're having difficulty with one, maybe go to the next one and work your way through it and kind of bounce around to figure out, to see if you can remember what you learned. Then you can scroll down, you can sign all the answers with me. And then you can go back to the top and see if you can make it through the list on your own by yourself. Right? So day number 8 is signing review. And day number 9, what do you think? It's going to be review? That's right, understanding review. If you can't understand, then what's the point? It just breaks down communication. So day 8 is signing review. Day 9 is understanding review. So, you're going to be seeing me signing not just individual signs, but phrases or complete sentences using the signs that we learned earlier in the cycle, in this cycle of daily emails. Right, so you take a look, try to figure out what I'm signing. It should seem familiar. Scroll down, then you can see the full answers where I show you what I'm signing. Watch the words light up in yellow above my head as I sign them, and practice with me. Right. Okay, so that's day number 9, understanding review. Day number 10 is recap. So what does that mean? It means that we're going to reflect on what you've been signing in days 1 through 9. So literally on day number 10, I'm going to put everything, you'll be able to see everything that you signed on days number 1 through 9. And that's not it. On day number 10 is kind of a unique day. I'm also going to teach you how to sign something. So you have the first part where you try to figure out what I'm signing, scroll down for slower signing, and then you can also see the answer. And I'm going to be on location. What does that mean? Well, my background will seem different. It's somewhere out in public. It's somewhere out in the world. And you can click, if you want to, if you're curious about the location I'm in, you can click on the link to explore that location on Google Maps. I just thought it would be kind of interesting to share that with you guys, and then also you can sign along with me and learn something new. So that is the 10-day cycle. All right, day number 1, question. Day number 2, response to the question on day number 1. Day 3 is fingerspelling, this or that. Day number 4 is the dialogue using the question and the response from day number 1. Day number 5, more fingerspelling recognition, fingerspelling practice. Day number 5 is the question for you, fingerspelling. Day number 6 is the vocabulary quiz. Day number 7 is more fingerspelling, right? Fingerspelling recognition, inspirational theme this time. Day number 8 is the first part of review, which is signing. And day number 9 is understanding review to complement the signing review, right? And then day number 10 is recap, a reflection on everything you've been doing in days 1 through 9. Okay, so down below you can scroll. We have more videos that literally dissect each day, each email of the 10-day cycle. There's 10 videos down there. You can soak them all up, and literally I will scroll through you. I'm holding my phone in the videos, and you can scroll with me, and I talk about what we do, why we do it, what the flow is, and how you can do it. Now, from your end as a user, it's so simple, and it's just fantastic with email. You literally, oh look, I have an email from Lingo. You click on it, and then you just scroll. That's it. I hold your hand, you just follow the instructions, and I literally feed you the ASL lesson. Okay, which brings us back to our first question of this video, which was, why is ASL Daily Email so valuable? I'm going to repeat for a moment. Just email. Email is simple. Email is quick. Email is predictable. Email is accessible from anywhere. And it's just a small, bite-sized daily chunk of ASL guarantees what? Forward momentum. Now, if you have the energy and the focus to blast through our ASL courses, I mean, we literally have over 40 courses at the moment. One of our courses is over 49 hours in length, and we have over just thousands of lessons, tons of content, right? Now, if you have the drive and the focus to just blast and go through them, I say, my hat's off to you. Holy cow, I can learn something from you, all right? If you're like me and life happens, family, pets, extended family, life situations, something you didn't see, work, whatever it is, life happens and it's difficult to make progress on what we wanted to make progress on. Well, that's why we created the ASL Daily Email for Beginners, to give you a bite-sized chunk. You can just dive into that email. It's right there. And at the end of the day, even if you're not making a ton of progress on the ASL online courses, you made progress. You got that bite-sized chunk in that daily email, making progress. And perhaps it will inspire you, right? The next time you get that daily email, well, maybe I'll click on the homework link this time. Maybe I'll go into the ASL bundle and do some of the course, right? Maybe it will just spur you forward to make even more progress in your sign language journey. Okay. Thank you for your time. In this video, once again, we talked about why the ASL Daily Email is so valuable. And 2, we did an overview of the 10-day cycle, which is ASL Daily Email for Beginners. All right?